Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about recurrence, part of data structures using C++ course. A recurrence is a mathematical equation that describes the relationship between the terms in a sequence. Recurrences are often used in the analysis of algorithms to describe the growth of a function in terms of previous terms in the sequence. A recurrence is a relationship between the terms of a sequence where the value of a term depends on the value of previous terms. The most common form of a recurrence is a linear recurrence, which is defined as follows, where Tn is the nth term in the sequence, A, B, until K and C are the constants, and M is the number of previous terms used to compute Tn. Recurrences can be used to model the time complexity of algorithms, where Tn represents the running time of an algorithm for an input of size n. By solving the recurrence, it is possible to determine the asymptotic behavior of the algorithm, such as its time complexity in big O notation. Here is an example of using a recurrence to calculate the nth Fibonacci number. In this example, the fib function calculates nth Fibonacci number by making two recursive calls to itself. The first call calculates the n-1th Fibonacci number, and the second call calculates the n-2th Fibonacci number. The two results are then added together to obtain the nth Fibonacci number. So the recurrence relation in this case is Tn equals Tn-1 plus Tn-2, which represents the relationship between the nth Fibonacci number and the previous two Fibonacci numbers. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.